Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark and in this video we're going to do a set of nails to raise awareness for autism. So we're going to use our new practice hand today. I've fitted the tips best I can because it's not the best hand to fit the tips on. However, we'll do the acrylic and then I can sort the shape out a bit better after. So we're going to use Mega White and Crystal Clear with Max Adhesion to start. And we're going to do a small bead of clear acrylic on all of them, just on the natural nail. And on this one we're going to do white acrylic, full cover. You can probably hear Joe's belly over the camera.
Sorry. I have been fed and watered as well.
Your mic is surely picking that rumble up.
Got nice pink on your nails.
Well, it was nice 3 days ago until I did all the nails at home and then I trashed it. Like always. Lasts about 3 days for me. I don't know how nail techs have gorgeous nails, I really don't.
Oh, yeah.
We're not going to do a clear base over this, so make sure you've got your white thick enough. A clear cap, sorry, even.
How come you put clear underneath?
Because the white can sometimes stain the nail.
Right.
And I haven't decided which order I'm doing it in yet, so I thought I might as well just do it on them all. Then when it's set up a little bit, we're going to take some string. And we're going to press it into the acrylic. No particular order, however you fancy. Then we're going to take Wild Strawberry coloured acrylic, Lime Green, Alien Invasion and Shocking Yellow. And we're just going to pick up little bits of this wet and press it into them indentations we've just made. Again, just random. let that dry. Then on this one we've got these little jigsaw pieces that we're going to press in to the clear acrylic. So you just want some wet clear. Take a wax stick and just randomly place them where you like. And once that's dry, we'll cap that in clear acrylic. And on this one we will use the jigsaw pieces again, but maybe just half.
They're dead cool, them pieces.
They're good, aren't they?
Yeah.
I like the fact you can actually put them together.
Yeah,
like
it's dead satisfying, isn't it?
Yeah.
Watching you piece it together.
I've never been good at jigsaws either.
Me neither. I can do the edges.
Well, I find the corners. I think that's as good as it gets for me. It's good to bring awareness to autism though. It's around us all the time, isn't it?
Oh yeah, for sure.
We're going to take some rose glow now and ombre this. Rose glow is really good for ombre. It's really good coverage. And nearly any colour anyway. Cap the rest. Then again on this one, full colour white. Take our string, and I think I'm just going to do the bottom this time. Back into our colours. Then we'll let that dry and file it. Right, we're going to file these now. So we'll start by filing the sides. File them into shape. Then we're going to take our e-file with a medium grit drill bit and about 10,000 RPMs, and reveal this design. We'll buff over with a 180 buffer. Wipe over with some gel res. And then we'll finish them off with some gel top coat. Hope you all enjoyed that video. Everything we've used will be listed down below. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next video.